This is Barbara Goldsmith, independent financial advisor, economics consultant. The markets are in turmoil. What can you do to protect yourself and your family, your investments, your savings? Well, the first thing is to get out of debt. To the best of your ability, cut down your debts. If you have a mortgage, try and pay down an amount of that mortgage, more each month. If you're on a fixed rate, make sure that you know when you get out of that fixed rate period so that you can transfer onto a variable rate. This will reduce your monthly payments. If you've got credit cards, try and reduce the number of credit cards you've got. If you've got 6, reduce it down to 1 or 2 if you can. Have at least 3 months cash on hand, out of the bank. We don't know which banks are going to be safe, which ones are going to stay solvent, and which ones may go under. It may look right now as though it's uncertain, and it's very uncertain. So during these uncertain times, very important to have at least 2 to 3 months cash on hand, out of the bank. So when you've got yourself out of debt, and when you've not got any credit card debt as well, and you've got some cash on hand, if you've got any more money, then put some of it into commodities. Buy some gold coins and some silver coins. This is another way of taking out insurance should the market drop even further. At least you will have gold, which will be worth something, rather than fiat money, which will be eventually valueless. If we go into high inflationary times, then the value of your money decreases. What else should you do? Well, if you are a risk taker and you've got some more money and you've done everything with getting out of debt, you're not trading on margin, you're not borrowing money to trade, then if you are a bit of a risk taker and you want to diversify your risk, then you may want to look into foreign currency. The currencies to be looking to buy would be the Japanese yen, the Swiss franc, the Canadian dollar, and to get out of UK sterling, US dollar, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar. However, you will have to watch these investments very, very carefully. This isn't something you can just leave and forget about. This is something you need to watch on a daily, even hourly basis, as the exchange rates change and are so very volatile. These are my top tips right now, and I wish you the very best of luck in protecting yourself and your family. If you will follow at least some of these tips, you will be able to protect some of your assets. Thank you.